Hello guys, welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. This is Epidemic sound tutorial. These are the simple steps to download and use music. This is quick and easy, so stay tuned till the end. Epidemic Sound is known for its user-friendly interface and hassle-free licensing. So to get started, we first need to access our account and connect to your channels. So do so by going into your favorite browser. I have Google Chrome in here. And now just type in Epic Sound and enter. You'll be brought in here where you need to sign into your account. If you don't have one, then start the 30-day free trial by just clicking on either this Pro plan or this basic plan. So it's the best way to get started before you decide whether to purchase or to get your account subscription. You have all these options to choose from once you have set up your account successfully. Now connect channels, which is very crucial step. Inside here, your Epidemic Sound dashboard, just click on these three dots here at the top and choose account. Now you will be brought in here. Just make sure that you have linked the specific social media channels. You can see all of them listed here. You have a YouTube channel, you have Instagram profile, TikTok account, where you will be publishing your content. So just make sure that they are linked correctly so that you make sure that there is no issues with copyright. So this self-listing process is essential for your content to be perpetually clear. Now, next is to find your perfect track. You have the search bar here or under discover here. Click on it and you can see the search bar. Just use the search bar at the top here to type in keywords for genre, mood, instruments, or even specific names if you know them. E.g., for instance, cinematic trailer, and you can enter and let's see the options. Yeah, you can even filter here on the screen uh, where you can filter your search by genre as well, mood, vocals, even tempo, duration, albums or playlist, etc. Once you have searched for what you want, you can preview. Click on any track to preview it. You can see the full waveform and jump to different sections. Now, this is what we need to do next. Download your music. You have the download button. Just once you find a track you love, simply click the download icon, this one here. You can see this window will be brought up. Now choose the format. In this small pop-up, it will ask you your desired format. So you have the drop down where by default it's MP3, which is good for most video projects, especially the smaller file size. But WAV is the higher quality. It's larger also and often preferred for professional audio work. So this is the tip I can tell you, that if you want to use this audio on some professional work or in some more video edits, just take the WAV file. But if you want to place it directly to YouTube, WAV is not being supported, so just choose MP3 if that's the case. Another thing is stems. For some tracks, you might see an option to download stems, and this lets you download individual instrument tracks like drums, bass, melody, so you can customize the mix yourself actually. So once you are done, you have clicked on download. Now you have chosen your format, you can save it to computer. The track will be downloaded directly, as you can see, to your computer's download folder. Now you can use your music in your video editor. Just import it, and I have just opened Adobe Premiere Pro here. And if I just click on Control plus I, it will bring me into my Windows Explorer. In here, I can just check for the audio I just downloaded, and you can import it as a music file into your project's media bin here. Now drag it to timeline, and you can use it in your videos, and it will just come inside here as a separate audio track. Now edit and mix it. Trim, cut the music to fit the length of your video, adjust even the volume, and fade in or out here under effects. Now once you are done with all these things, you can publish it and export it and publish to the channels you safe listed in step 1. Yeah, that's it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly find, download, and use high quality licensed music from Epidemic Sound in all your projects. Now go create something amazing and worry free. Don't worry about the license anymore. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment.